I've got the WOLFBOX MegaFlow60 turbo fan or air duster. Let's go ahead and clean this old computer and see how well it does. So check this thing out. It's really cool. Look at this fan. It's nice construction. It's got the power button right here and charges with the USB-C cord. It's got the USB-C cord right here. And it's got the 5 nozzle attachments. So this one is right here. This one that looks like that. This one, a long one. And this nozzle is great for inflating, for example, pool inflatables and things like that. To turn it on, you just hold and press the power button. And then when you're on level 3, that's the highest, you have to press this button in order to activate it. And that actually saves a lot of the battery if you're just pressing the button. And when you release it, it turns off. And then if you switch to level 2, you can just press and turn it on and it'll just stay on without you holding the button. And same thing for level 1. But it's super powerful. Let's go ahead and clean this old computer and see how well it does. It is seriously powerful. Check that out. It's just cleaning everything without the need of the compressed air can. This thing does it very well. And the cool thing is that it's reusable, rechargeable. The battery stays for a long time. And besides that, there's many different uses for it. You can start a campfire and blow up that fire with this fan, and also use this as your kind of extra fan. This is lightweight and it can be just thrown into your backpack. Solid WOLFBOX design and product overall is just great, and there's good quality. Whole bunch of different uses for it, and it works very well.